Let's explore equations of lines. Let's start with this linear equation. ax plus by equals c. Every line is described by an equation in this form. By infinitely many, in fact. It turns out that we can rewrite this equation into this form in a unique way. So each linear equation can be uniquely written in slope-intercept form. There's only one exception to this fact. The only exception is for an equation graphing to a vertical line. So we can write it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept. M is the slope, and the y-intercept is 0b. So that's why it's called slope-intercept. If you take a look at this, all we need to write down this form is the m and the b. So let's explore this slope-intercept form. So let's take a look at the line that has the following two properties. 1, slope equal to minus 4. And 2, it passes through the point 1, 3. So this line is represented by exactly one equation in slope-intercept form. What is that equation? To directly find this equation, we need to find the numerical values of m and b. This first property gives us the value of m. It says m equals minus 4. So we have m. What about b? Well, this other property gives us a point on the graph, which is a solution to the equation. We know m is minus 4. So the solution has x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. So this leaves only b left as a variable, as an unknown in this equation. So b equals 7. So our answer, y equals minus 4x plus 7. Okay, so let's find an equation now given 2 points. So our line passes through these 2 points. And again, we want the slope-intercept form. So we can proceed as follows. To come up with mx plus b, directly we can find m and b. How do we find m? We're not given m directly. Well, m is always change in y over the change in x. For any 2 points on the graph. We're given 2 points. 2 minus 5 for the change in the y-coordinates. Minus 3, minus 4 for the change in the x-coordinates. So the slope of our line is 3/7. So we found M now. How about B? We can take other ever points and use that as a solution to the equation. We substitute in 5 for y, 4 for x. The only unknown is b. And this is 5 equals 3/7 times 4 is b. So b equals 5 minus 12/7, which is 23/7. So we get y equals 3/7 x plus 23/7. That's one way to do the problem. Let's now see another way. Let's go through the second way. Starts off the same. Find m. Now we use the fact that the equation of a line can be written in what's called point-slope form. And the reason why it's called point-slope is because you have this form of a line whenever you have a point and the slope. So we can use this form to get an equation for our line. We'll use the point. Doesn't matter which one. Let's use 4, 5. So an equation for the line is y minus 5 equals 3/7 times x minus 4. And now we can transform this equation into slope-intercept form. Eliminate the parentheses by distributing. Isolate y. We're almost there. We have the y equals mx part. And now we need to come up with the simplified value for b. Minus 12/7 plus 5. We'll do the work over here. Common denominator. And we get 23/7. So this way is another way to do the problem. Again, we just need the point, any point, and the slope.